Hey guys, just got ACL surgery today. Unfortunately, my Amazon order for replacement crutch pads didn't come in until after the surgery, but I borrowed these from my brother rather than paying the hospital for them. So first thing, you can see they're really worn out and they're flaking on my hands. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is just peel back the top layer there. And then, so these are kind of on a little tight, so maybe take a little rubber mallet or just try to push these off. I loosened it already, but you take that off, and then once that's off, you can see those little detents that are keeping it in place. So anyway, after that, you take these out, and they just slide off. And then once they're off, you can remove this and put on the new hand grip, and put on the new grip here. So all you gotta do. That on, then reinstall the top, but before you do, you gotta replace this with this. So I got started here, and we'll just go for it. So they're on pretty tight. It's gonna take some muscle, or I guess you could rip it off. And then slide the new guy on. Oh yeah, also to take these off, you just kind of bend it back, and then it'll come off like that. And then you can slide the new one on there. Okay, actually it doesn't seem to be too bad. Just push it in. It's starting to go. Okay, so we slid that on there. Wasn't crazy, but not great either. Then just slip these back on. Pull them out. Then take your thing, slide them on. And put them into the position that you wanted them. Okay, and then take your piece that you put the rubber already on and just slide it on. And this also you're gonna want to press down so that it fits into those detents and get secured. Okay, and there you go. Almost a brand new crutch with new rubbers.